Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious banana bread in your bread maker. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. Having everything ready ensures a smooth baking process. Next, mash your ripe bananas until smooth. Then, add all your wet ingredients, including the mashed bananas, melted butter, and eggs, directly into the bread maker pan. After that, carefully add your dry ingredients like flour and sugar on top. Finally, place your leavening agent, such as baking soda, in a small indentation on the dry ingredients. Now it's time to select the right setting on your bread maker. Most machines have a sweet bread or quick bread cycle that works perfectly for banana bread. You can also choose your preferred crust setting, whether you like it light or medium. The entire baking process usually takes around 2 to 3 hours. Once your banana bread is baked, carefully remove it from the bread maker pan. It's important to let it cool completely on a wire rack for at least 1 hour. This step helps the bread set and prevents it from becoming gummy. Then, slice and enjoy your wonderfully fragrant, homemade banana bread, perhaps with a cup of coffee.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.